This man is carrying something that looks like a roasted pig. But it's actually a water monster, a raft made from goatskin bags used to cross rivers. This traditional watercraft has been used for over 2,000 years in the midstream region of the Yellow River, in China. Only male goat skins are used, and the craftsman must keep the hide intact to ensure it stays airtight. The skin is carefully treated to remove hair and oil, then inflated by mouth through a small opening, tested for leaks, and tied to the raft before being launched into the river. Though it may look simple, one of these rafts can carry up to 6 people, thanks to its lightweight, flexible design, and adjustable size. The water monster was once a common mode of river transport for locals.